Hello, my loves. It's Kasia Plannerista 101. So today we're going to be creating two spreads. One is my meal planner, which is in a planner called Cooking 101. And the other one is in my wellness planner, which is Celestial Elegance. And it is for the week of August 12th through the 18th. Both of these are for the same week. So here we go. I'm super excited to create these with you guys. I'm going to be using the Daily Florals from Color of a Plan. I have purchased quite a few stickers from her this past month, and I actually love them. She has decreased her floral margins, so like the excess is not as big. So I'm super excited to do this. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a girl from Verse Planning. I just love her stickers and I haven't used them in a bit, and I have so many, so it's time to bring them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this girl that's like chic and posh and stuff. And yes, I keep my Verse Planning stickers in my Mojo Jojo sticker storage. Anyway, here we go. So I'm gonna be using that. And I have picked these blue, yellow, and green florals. I think they're gorgeous. Even though they're probably more of a spring, I love them. So let's go ahead and just quickly remove that, because that's the one part I'm not going to be using. Otherwise, I have been using this planner quite robustly, I should say, meaning that it's very, like, pretty full every week. And I think this week I'm going to try to be even more detailed and see how that works out. So I usually put like a vague thing of what we're doing, an idea, but I've been skipping breakfast, which is such a bad thing, right? But so I'm going to go ahead and work on getting myself a lot more stable with breakfasts, and hopefully that works. But look how pretty this like section is turning out to be with all of these florals. You guys, I just love florals. I don't know what it is about it, but they make me smile, they make me happy, and that's all I can do. So I'm gonna leave it. I was going to move it, but I'm gonna leave it. Whatever. It's okay. I'm gonna live. Okay, let's put one right there. Okay, that is okay. Yeah, that looks decent. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh my gosh, these little like things that stick to my scissors are awful. I already ruined my brand new desk mat. Yeah, I cut something way too hard and it went through the page. It happens. It's okay. It just happens. This is life. I do want to fill in this empty space with some quotes. I am going to kind of cut them to fit for me. But yeah. Wake up with determination, go to sleep with satisfaction, go to bed with satisfaction. I like that quote a lot. I think, especially when it comes to sticking to meal plans, you kind of have to be determined. Don't count the days, make the days count. Again, very motivational, at least for me. So, yeah. And now we get to meal plan. Okay, so protein box. We're gonna do 2 hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna do cottage cheese for protein. So I'm gonna do a lot of protein in my boxes. I make my own protein boxes like to go, and I'm gonna do bell peppers with like goat cheese and some cucumbers, and maybe carrot if I have the space in my box. We shall see. So I'm gonna do salad with walnuts and chicken. Yeah, that is good. Grilled steak over a salad. for dinner. I think that's also good. With tomatoes and cucumbers, I really love that combo of salads. And then again, protein bags, hard-boiled eggs. Just gonna make like enough for a few days. And then I'm gonna do goat cheese with bell peppers and cheese. We're gonna do chicken wrap with like a tiny small side salad. And then we're going out for a birthday on Tuesday. So that's not going to be in, but at least I can make a smart choice and get something like a salad or a salmon or something, you know. Again, hard-boiled eggs. I try to kind of vary my boxes so I don't get super bored. So we're gonna do cottage cheese, tomato, and cucumber. It's gonna be kind of like a Mediterranean salad almost, and salad with tomato and basil. Almost like a caprese, but not quite because it's gonna be on a bed of lettuce. And then nachos with ground beef on Wednesday. I think that's gonna be good. And then again, Thursday protein bucks, because that's just something that I'm gonna keep on doing until I get used to eating breakfast. So hard-boiled eggs, goat cheese with bell peppers, because I really love those sweet mini bell peppers. And what I'll do is take like a little bit of goat cheese and stuff it inside, so then when you take a bite, it's almost like a stuffed thing. We'll do another chicken wrap for lunch, and then stuffed sweet potato with ground beef. I really love making those. So my ground beef is usually sauteed with like onion and bell peppers and other spices. Lots of veggies, is more veggies than the meat. And then you stuff the sweet potato. And let's see, Friday, cottage cheese with tomatoes. For lunch, just snacks. And then we're gonna do salmon over rice with green beans. And then hash browns. Like a hash brown casserole type of thing, but we'll do snacks again. We're going out on Saturday. We have a party that we're attending. Bacon and eggs with veggies for breakfast on Sunday. Snacks again. And for dinner, we'll do stir fry with like a steak. So pretty healthy week, I think, overall. I'm actually pretty excited. And then let's go ahead and create my wellness plan. Like I said, this one is in a planner called Celestial Elegance. I switched from the Moody Florals because it was not dated and it was actually pretty hard to keep up with. So we're gonna go ahead and create a green spread. I love my plants and it's still summer, so I want to go ahead and do that. So I have this new sticker book from Verse Planning called Green Thumb. And yeah, we're gonna use one of those stickers because, oh my gosh, look at that one. Maybe, yeah, let's do that one. Fresh veggies, super motivating. I do need to work on my garden. I don't know when. I have like no motivation to do any of the gardening this year. I'm not sure why, whether it's because I have a dog or what's going on, but yeah, my motivation for that is pretty low. So I'm gonna be kind of preparing all those beds for next year already pretty soon. Okay, so here we go. First sticker down, many to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of these like hanging plants. And I'm gonna do one section of decor on the bottom and then one section of the decor on the top. Let me know what you guys think about that. I know it's a little bit different than what I usually do. They're not going to be aligned, but it is what it is. And I think I'm okay with it. I think. We'll see when I fill it out. I can decide. Okay, let's use a little bit of an undo. If you guys don't know what that is just magic sticker juice that makes you peel up stickers without ruining them. And you can reapply them once it's dry, which it actually dries pretty fast. So I wanted to apply this greenhouse for her instead to kind of give her the feeling of like having a full greenhouse behind her and being able to focus on her plants. This lady deserves this, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more plants for her so she can be happy, because if she's a true plant lady, those are not enough. And that's not much left in here to fill in with stickers, because this planner is a truly fully functional for me. So we're gonna keep it that way still, but I did want to, as always, create a little bit of a just happy place in here. So now I'm gonna take my Zig pen in green, of course, and I'm gonna make dots. So 4 and 4, these are spread apart so I can actually detail my meals, and the bottom ones are more yes, no, and then like short little things. So what I keep track of is breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then my medicine, my mood, my sleep, and my steps. So not that much. I do want to add one more thing because that Sunday is like empty and I don't like that. So let me see if I can find another like hanging plant. I know it's like different, but it's gonna be there. And I might just draw like a line or something so it's hanging. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But that's all it is. Let me know what you guys think about the spreads, both of them, and I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!